So hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at Stellar or XLM currently at the $0.119 level. We are currently ranked at 25 with a market cap of about $3.37 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $65 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Stellar XLM. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, we are up 2.2% right here for Stellar XLM. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for Stellar XLM versus the USD dollars. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Coinbase is the data source, right? So the first thing we love to say right here for Stellar is that Stellar always move from level to level, level to level, level to level, right? And so basically, right, we have seen Stellar observing all our levels, and basically we could see that Stellar is forming this sort of descending triangle, right? Now, the problem with triangles is that triangles could break out both ways. So we could see a breakout to the upside, right? If we see a price action above the $0.012 level right here, but triangles could also break out below, right? So if we see a break below this level, that could be some sort of massive correction right there for Stellar to the downside, right? And so that is it with the triangle. We are at the last stage of this triangle. As you can see, we are forming. We are about to see a huge breakout, and we could see a breakout by the end of the week, right? If we see a breakout of the downside, then guys, that could be a gobbling town scenario. And if we see a break to the upside, then that could be a very massive bullish scenario right here for Stellar XLM. But another thing we could be looking at right here, basically right here for Stellar, is we are seeing some huge and not so good divergences, right? First is that we are losing right here. These are the EMAs. We are losing or we have lost the bull market EMA. Let me just give you context right here. In the past, right, we became bullish right here and last year for Stellar XLM when we saw prices forming price action above our bull market EMA. The moment we saw prices cross the bull market EMA, we became very bullish, and as you can see, we saw this massive push to the upside. The moment we began to see prices lose the bull market EMA, the blue line is the bull market EMA. We were saying so far we are not going below our confirmation EMA. We still have hope of a bounce, which we saw. We saw that huge bounce, but immediately we saw that see that massive retracement to the downside, right? Basically, fast forward to 2024, we have lost the bull market EMA, and we have confirmed this sort of bearish move. Even though we saw the bounce, but we are still getting rejected by the bull market EMA, which is basically forming price action below our confirmation EMA. And this means only one thing alone, that XLM is more bearish than bullish, right? Another reason also we are seeing that there could be massive danger right here for Stellar XLM is right here, right? We are still seeing more bearish price action than bullish price action on the volume profile. As you can see, we saw this sort of massive push to the upside, but we got sold out, right? We are forming huge bullish divergence. If we can see the price of Stellar XLM push above this confirmation EMA, then we have hope. But if we are not able to reclaim the bull market EMA, which is right here at the 12 cent level, that could be some sort of massive problems right there for Stellar XLM. Also, another danger we are seeing right here on Stellar XLM basically is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is the king of the market, and we usually know that anything Bitcoins do, a lot of altcoins follow, right? We have seen this huge, massive push to the upside right here for Bitcoin, but we have formed last week this sort of massive shooting star candle pattern, right? The week shooting star candles pattern is we see a massive push to the upside from the shooting star, and then we see this massive push to the downside. Basically, this is what we call a shooting star candlestick. So we see an uptrend, a huge uptrend. We form the shooting star candlestick. As you can see, small body and at least twice as big, right? This sort of huge arrow, and then we see this downtrend. As you can see, that was exactly what is forming. We saw this huge bull trend right here, huge uptrend, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 post candles to the upside, huge bull trend. We have formed this sort of shooting star candlestick, and we are still seeing, or we could be expecting, some sort of downtrend. As you can see, downtrend, right? Shooting star signals potentially a downside reversal, and is most effective after 2 or 3 consecutive rising candles, right? So as you can see, we have seen that a shooting star doji, and this could be the beginning of a downtrend. And if we see that downtrend of Bitcoin, that could basically affect Stellar XLM, and then we basically could just see that downside, that break to the downside right here for Stellar XLM, right? So this is something we could watch closely, and we would continue to give you updates right here on Stellar XLM. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.